Assalamu alaikum dear viewer and subscriber. I am engineer Bashar. Welcome my channel Atlas Automation BD. Dear friend, today I discuss Mitsubishi PLC programming, Mitsubishi frequency type inverter, how to frequency set, friend, Mitsubishi inverter, frequency type inverter FRA 700. Three phase inverter and three phase motor, how to set frequency, right RAM setting request, frequency setting. Friend, go to the PLC programming. My PLC software is the GX Work 2 and my PLC is the Q02PH PLC. And friend, go to the open contact and open contact address X0 F input X0 F input switch and application instruction PLS pulse M0 turn on the false M0 is the when X0F is on, then false M0 turn on set frequency, right RAM command false, write the set frequency. And second letter open contact address M3 and open contact X24 switch and go to the application instruction and equal K0 D9150 inverter special resistor 9150 and a special resistor for control D9150 inverter parameter access error store the error norm when an error occur because the data stored in the parameter or a special resistor is not reflected on the inverter. And vertical line, okay, application instruction greater than or less than K0 D9150 and M1 is the normally write and M2 abnormal write and this block is the M1 is the normal write and M2 is the abnormal write. And this function check whether set frequency right RAM complication signal turned on the Jutzi, whether write was performed normally or not, and go to the open contact M0 and close contact X24 and M3 latching M3 is the latching and vertical line and application instruction move P K 6000 means 16 hertz RPM, 16 hertz frequency, 16 hertz D9144 D9144 means D9144 set frequency right RAM, and set the running frequency RAM. D9144 set frequency right. And vertical line, yes, and output is Y24 is the motor output. It is the K6000 means 16 hertz frequency, D9144 the running frequency, RAM running frequency. And complete my program and go to the compile and start stop simulation on. Frequency is 0. Now I start. Frequency is 600 means 16 hertz. 600 means 16 hertz frequency. Inverter is running. Friend, inverter is running. And off. When X4 is on, inverter is stop running. X4 shift plus enter on off. Dear friends, please subscribe my channel Atlas Automation BD and active the bell icon. Dear friends, thanks for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.